Yes, sir. You already know it's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. Let's go and jump right into it. Before we do that, let's give this video a thumbs up. So AMC, we ended this week at $38.27. Great way to end the week above that $38 support area, guys. After coming up out of that bearish momentum that we previously got out of after pulling back to around 33 bucks, which we expected to pull back at the first half of this week. At the first half of the week, pull back to no lower than 35. Worst case scenario was 34. We came down to a low of 33.74. After that, we seen that huge cup and handle pattern, a huge spike up to the upside, just as we was expecting, guys, to see a lot of buying pressure and momentum come in from those cheap shares. And that's exactly what we seen. We seen the stock shoot up like a bat out of hell, even way better than expected. I'm pretty sure nobody expected it to pull back to 33 and shoot up to 41.50 in the same day, which we already know we done did this multiple times. It's nothing new. We even had better days, but the simple fact with all the energy, the emotions was everywhere. Everybody was feeling down. They was feeling down, ready to give in, ready to give out. And then in the blink of an eye, I always tell y'all, whenever you feeling like that, ready to sell, ready to give in, go ahead. Go ahead. There ain't nobody making you stay here. Because like I tell y'all, I done, invested what I'm gonna invest, and I'm gonna continue to make other plays while waiting on AMC to pop, which it already popped. And not trying to discourage anyone. Of course, the ones that's just getting in at the higher prices, waiting on them to pop some more. But for the ones that's being in, you shouldn't be complaining at all. You up over hundreds of %. So you already know, guys, and being invested in the stock market is not even going to give you the returns that this one investment on AMC has given us. So you already know, guys, I believe it's one of the best plays, best opportunities to present themselves in a while. And the game is changing with these meme stocks. They're going to most definitely know it's going to be hella other plays that's going to spike drastically after AMC reaches potential, guys, because that's why the SEC, the government, trying to now change the gamifications and the rules of the stock market, because we can't have them, as in I say we, they can't have this on their watch. All these, retail investors making millions of dollars off stocks popping massively, having these huge spikes. So they most definitely going to try to change the rules of the game, make it more harder and more difficult than it already is to succeed in the stock market, guys. Like I tell you, I think the whole algorithm of the market has changed. Once these meme stocks started doing what it's doing, my day trading strategy and all that good stuff, like the whole atmosphere, the algorithm switched up. They had to change it. Like, you get what I'm saying, if that makes sense. In my other video, when I had stated that, somebody understood exactly what I was saying. So you already know, guys, though. And then we got Citadel scandals and stuff. They done came to Twitter multiple times trying to attempt to put the fire out with all the mess that's going on. They basically trying to say they didn't have no connections and ties with Robinhood, with the call of, taking away the buy button. So we already know they lying, guys. It's hard for them. They can't just come out and say, oh, we sorry, we had lied and we apologize, and they just can't come out and own up to what the hell they done. So once you tell one lie, you got to tell 1,000 other lies to cover that first lie that you told. So basically, without them coming clean, they just making themselves look stupid and stupid, because as people keep questioning them and chastise them, especially if they get live and don't have time to think about their answers correctly and get live and somebody asks them the right questions, it's going to basically broadcast everything on Front Street that y'all lying on top of line on top of line, which is going to make y'all look bad, make the world look bad, make the SEC look bad, make all these people look bad if they don't step in and actually do something about it, guys. So like I told you, it's just a waiting game. If you even thinking about selling right now, I at least wait for all this to blow over and see how the SEC and the government reacts to all this BS going on within the markets. So you already know, guys, that's all I got. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you.